What's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Shakita Key, and I'm back with another video.
Tick, tick, wait on it. Keeping down my body count. I'm finessing like a trap bounce, yeah. Cause every day above ground is a blessing.
So today, on today's agenda, I just dropped Xavier off at school. This is the second day of school since it started, and now I am on my way to maybe the grocery store. I got a feeling to make some lobster mac and cheese. I'm gonna attempt to do something to my hair today, and I got some news for y'all. I no longer work at that dental office. I actually got fired the next day after I posted that video. So yeah, the reason I got fired, they said, is because I wasn't a good fit for their office. They said that I guess I didn't move fast enough for them, but I'm a type of person that don't like to continuously make mistakes, so I have to take my time to do something. That's what I do, because I'm not familiar with their office. But like I told y'all, their schedule was so crazy that you had to boom, 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 like move, which is fine once I got the hang of it. But I didn't get a chance to get the hang of it because they only gave me 2 weeks. They threw me right in. Like, I never got training on how their computer system works or what they want far as dental. The dentist wants the dental assistant to put in the computer. See, where I came from, the dentist put in all the codes for the insurance and all that type of stuff. So I wasn't familiar with, well, I'm familiar with codes, but I don't know their codes. You know what I'm saying? So it was just a difference. But I was kind of happy to get fired. But I think this is my sister. Look, I'm making me a YouTube video. I'm like, I think this is my sister. But what you gonna do? Oh, okay. Enjoy your day. Yeah, my nephews go to the same school as they. But anyway, I got fired or whatever, which is okay. But I wanted to make some lobster mac and cheese, so that's on the agenda. I need my eyebrows arched, if you can't tell. I've been trying to put this hat over them, but I look crazy when I put my head over them. But yeah, I want to make lobster mac and cheese. Get my eyebrows waxed, go pay a bill, and that's it. Make the lobster mac and cheese when I get home. I guess I'll take y'all to the store with me. And yeah. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all start commenting. Like, what's up? Y'all don't want to talk to me? You know, talk to me, I'll talk back. Talk to me, I'll talk back. Okay? Comment down below. Say hi. Say bye. Say, what are you doing? Like, what's up? Say something. What's up, my lovelies? Just put a heart in there. Put a thumbs up. Put something in the comments. Help me out with this algorithm. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, then 200, then 300, then 400, 500, 600, to 1,000, then. Y'all gotta help me. Share the videos. Thank you. Now, I'm on my way to maybe Jewel's because the nail salon, the eyebrow place I go to is a nail salon. They don't open till 10. Right now it's currently 8:48. So yeah. Let me get on the road. Alrighty, so I just got done taking care of my personal business. Now I'm just gonna head over here to the nail salon. What time is it? They could have opened at 10. I don't know if I want to go to the grocery store first or to the eyebrow place. But yeah, I just found out a lot of little information from. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Found out a lot of little information from the bank I was just at. But yeah, I'm kind of a little thrown off a little bit. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go in the grocery store. I'm gonna look up a recipe. What's hot in here? I'm gonna look up a lobster mac and cheese recipe real quick so I can know what I want to buy. And I'll let y'all see when I get to the store. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna tell y'all about what happened when I got fired that day, which was, today is Tuesday, so it was a week ago. On I want to say August 17th, I got fired from that job because I got there Monday and I worked up until I left early. For some reason, it was just like, I don't want to be here. Like when I was telling y'all about how they got you going through the trash if an instrument is missing and all of that stuff, it was just like, I don't want to be here to the end because I'm not going to be responsible for finding no instrument that I ain't got nothing to do with. Like, I know I ain't throwing no instruments in the garbage because that's why I take my time and do work how I work, which make them think that I'm moving too slow, which is probably why I got fired, because I take my time and do what I'm supposed to do accurately instead of making mistakes all the time and going back and forth. So whatever, that's neither here nor there. But I got to work at about on Tuesdays we got to be there at 9:30. So I got there like 9:40. I was late. So I got there at 9:40. I walked in and she was like, Shakita, and then she like motioned like her hand for me to stop right there at the office before I even go, clock in. So she was like, you can have a seat. And I was like, okay. I had my mask on, so I'm already knowing in my head, like, she probably finna tell me she don't want to keep me there, because I was probably getting paid more than her lead dental assistant, and she probably felt that I wasn't working at a performance rate of what I was getting paid, which is understandable because at the time I didn't like the job, so it was like I wasn't happy. And I feel like my happiness is everything. Like if I'm feeling stressed about something and like I don't want to do it, like I don't want to be stressed out. Like I made it this far in my life and I don't want to be stressed like about where I gotta go every day. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm gonna go somewhere every day, I want to be happy about going to that place. And I definitely was not happy about going to that dental office. So she set me down or whatever. She was like, I talked to the staff and she said I talked to the other I don't know if she said assistants, but she said staff members or whatever she said. And they do not want to move forward with you because they say you move a little too slow for this office. And I said, oh, okay. But under my mask, I'm like, oh, okay. Like, I wonder if she could see if I was smiling. Like, for real? Like, I was kind of happy. Like, yay, I get to go home. Like, I didn't want to be here today either. Like, it was just like, is this a sign from God saying that keep going? Don't worry about that stuff. I am your provider. Stop worrying. And then now I got an email from my previous supervisor from my old job. Remember I told y'all I called her and tried to, go back. But I'm not vaccinated and I really don't plan on getting vaccinated. I feel like, how you gonna make me get something in my body to work at a job? And y'all ain't even paying as much as I was getting paid at the other dental office. Like, is it worth putting that stuff in my body? I mean, I'm not against people who get vaccination or whatever. It's to each his own. But I just don't want to. So how you gonna make me? Like, it feel like you making me. Like, it's mandatory. We have mandatory vaccination. Unless you have a religion. Okay, if I have a religion, well, how do I prove that I have a religion? Like, I don't understand that. My religion is I don't want to. I don't want to get injected with the COVID-19 and then come back and get a booster and all that. I don't want that. Like, I don't want it. I don't want it. That's the bottom line. I'm not getting it. And then something keep telling me, go forward. Do not go back. Do not look back. You don't want to be in dentistry anymore. The jobs do not define who you are as a person and what you could bring to the table. Only way I would get a job is if I could work from home. Like, if I could find a work from home job where I could just do computer work, online work, even if I could do on the phone work, that's what I do. But I'm at a point in my life where I don't want to deal with coworkers and go clock in go walk, gotta drive, get there, be there at a certain time. I want to be able to get up, go get in the shower, go to my little desk, office space work, and do my work. I believe I deserve to have what I want in my life. And that's what the problem with most people feel like they don't have a choice. I have a choice because this is my life. And if I'm going to live this life, I got to live it happy. Like, who wants to live a miserable ass life and have regrets and be like, I should have did this, I could have did that if I wouldn't. But that's neither here nor there. I'm going to get off that subject right now because I don't know. People probably think that I'm whatever. Like, hard work always pays off. I'm not saying that I don't want to work. I just don't want to work at a dental office. I don't want to be in the medical field anymore. Like, as far as that, if I could do over the phone stuff, like help patients over the phone and speak to them and talk to them and talk them through things, how to take their medication or anything, like. But I'm still thinking about it, like, then who gonna watch Cheyenne at the same time? Like, yeah, Abby can watch her, but she in school. Even if she do work online, her college work online, it's like, do I want to leave my oldest child to raise my youngest child? Like, I had her. I need to be at home raising her. I don't know, y'all. I'm in a dilemma. I'm in a pickle. So I worked there for 2 weeks. And I got fired on the 3rd week. Probably because I left early that Monday. But, hey, I don't care. At this point, I didn't want to work there anyway. But yeah, let me get in this store. Probably gonna just get lobster. Ooh, look at that big head dragonfly. Y'all see that? Oh my God. I'm scared to get out. But let me go so I can get back home to my baby. It's 10:10, by the way. 10:10. Divine. Look. That big ass dragonfly. Okay, let me go.
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chucks to look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
So these all the cheeses they got. I'm like, what happened to Kraft? Did Kraft? What happened with Kraft? Because the only Kraft I see is the Kraft slices. I'm gonna get a pack of this. I like this American 2% milk Kraft. That's not for the macaroni, but I'm gonna get some medium cheddar, and I'm gonna get some Kobe Jack. Oh, that's $2 for $6. But they don't got no. They got Sargento. Kobe Jack. Which one y'all think I should get? This one got 10 slices. I wonder how much this is. This one got a family pack, 24 slices. Oh, they got one. These 2 for $8. This one 2 for $6. Decisions. So they $3 each. That one $4 each. They got 11. I'd rather get the name brand one. I also like to use this Parmesan cheese for my cheese sauce. So yeah. They like lobster mac and cheese. I'm gonna make my own. So the lady that do my eyebrows is not there. She said she's usually there on she's usually not there on Mondays and Tuesdays, so I'll come back tomorrow. Cause I got a job interview tomorrow via Zoom, and I just come before I do my interview because I just want my eyebrows cleaned up, and she the only one that know how to do my eyebrows. So I'll come back tomorrow. Plus I got ice cream in the car, and you know I don't want my stuff to melt. It's nice outside, so it might just melt. But yeah, I'm on my way back home to make this lobster mac and cheese. Guys, stay tuned. All right, grocery store haul. What we got? No, I like to drink my oat milk, so we got Chobani vanilla flavored. We got bananas. We got raw shrimp. I like raw shrimp. Pickles, chips. We got the lobster. We got 2 of these because they was 2 for $5. And then we got the crab. Kobe Jack, Sargento cheese. We got some orange juice. This is the chicken salad sandwich and the seafood salad sandwich. Some shredded cheese. Some Kraft singles. Some Capri Suns. We got tropical Tide Roaring Waters. And we got some American iceberg lettuce, carrots, cabbage, and radishes. Some tomatoes. The grape tomatoes. I got these was 2 for something. We got the Baskin Robbins pralines and cream, 1 for me, 1 for Alvin, and 1 for Zay. Avi already got one. We got some extra gum, some Celatini pasta. That's what I'm using for my mac and cheese, and some Parmesan cheese from Frigo. Yeah, that's what we got. Our noodles are done, so now we're gonna go ahead and make our cheese sauce. You want to make your noodles until they're al dente, okay? So you don't want them to cook all the way through, because they're gonna cook all the way through in the oven, okay? Now let's get to this sauce. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and start our cheese sauce. Gonna add a 1/2 stick of butter. Gonna go ahead and add our heavy whipping cream. The cheese at a good consistency, and I taste it. It tastes very good, cheesy. I'm gonna just add my pasta back to my cheese. in this pot. Oh my God, all right, we're gonna go ahead and fold the noodles in the sauce. You don't want to break your noodles up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my oven on preheat 350. So now I went on ahead and added some more Parmesan cheese to mix in, and now some medium cheddar cheese. And since our crab meat and lobster meat is already cooked, we're just gonna add it to our mac and cheese and put it in the oven on 350 for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, I would say. I don't have a recipe, just going on how I feel. But you want to make sure this cheese sauce on all of the noodles. That's why I mixed it for a while. So now I'm going to just mix this cheese in. So once I put it in the pan that I am going to bake it in, I could just go ahead and mix my crab and lobster meat inside. I got the imitation meat because that lobster and stuff is a little pricey. It was like $23. Well, just a little cup. So, gotta improvise, child. These was 2 for $5. So I got 2 of each. That way if I need to add more, I can. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this over to my baking pan.
She said she working for Walgreens, but not in the store at the head office. The hair was so good, it makes sense why you work at the head office. In 2007, I sat in the lobby of Motown and waited. Now I walk into the building and go off like...
All right, now that we got our paprika going there, we're gonna go ahead and get some aluminum foil. We're gonna cover. But I'm gonna add a little butter. I'm not gonna cover it.
You fly out your lady, I fly out my ladies. Bitches can't run on the kid anymore, man, they know what my name is. And if by chance she don't know who I am, she just know that I'm famous. I'ma just hand her a business card and say, if she gotta come through the hotel and pop it on book. Then she gon' text her best friend like, girl, you got some good, you get money. A friend hit her back like I know that already, that nigga's amazing. Then I send a message to both of their asses like, nigga, we made it.
Mind how I'm looking right now, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and make a shrimp salad on the side with just, you know, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and shrimp. I don't think I'm gonna put no eggs in there because we got cheese for the mac and cheese. I just put the mac and cheese in at 2 o'clock, and here we go. It's on the road. It's just now preheating. I put it in there before it preheated. But yeah, stay tuned for when it get ready to come out. All right, out the oven. Y'all see that? Lobster, crab, mac and cheese. Yes. I gotta get a close up of how this look. Let me get a spoon or something. A little taste to taste. I usually get a spoon, but I'm gonna get a fork. You see that?
Oh yeah. It's 2:36. So I made this real early. Y'all see that?
Crab meat.
I was want her. Alright, you wanna taste it? Taste it.
You got cheese hanging from your lip. Well, you just ate it. Hot. What you think?
Yeah, baby. That was fire. How's it?
I said it's good.
Thirsty. Get in your stuff. This is what I gotta deal with. No, don't stop now. Keep it going. Keep it going. What are you doing? What you doing? Mommy trying to fix you some breakfast. Trying to fix me some breakfast. Y'all, I eat ice in my cereal. I got her breakfast right here. She got some bananas and peaches. I was gonna put some cereal in it, but she don't be liking it. Here. Why don't you sit up? Come on. Sit up. Ain't nobody gonna want to deal with you. Um. Good, mommy. It's good, mommy. Good, mommy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Say yum, 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 yum. Now, I'm gonna make my cereal. It's morning time. I got a job interview today. By the way, I had to say good morning. Cheyenne pulled off my little thing. But I washed my hair last night and I put it in a slick ponytail. Ah! Now, who the heck finna eat all of that? Me. Good thing I just cleaned the table off. Cause somebody just left all kind of weed particles on the table. Like, error. Who wants to eat at a table that people be rolling up goddamn on weed? I don't like that. Using the Chobani oat milk. I just bought some more yesterday. This gonna be gone. Yeah, I be like, she could eat all that cereal. Might as well, it fell in there. Now, who gonna drink this little ass quart of milk? Like, seriously, it's too full. You be showing out, did you? You ain't boo-boo, did you? You ain't boo-boo, did you? I don't be liking the way this peaches be smelling. It's peaches and bananas. Here. Open. You need to sit up. That's what be making me think you be boo-booing, because you be slide. Then when I get you out of here, you'll have boo-boo crying up your back. Crawling up your back. Sit up. Stop slouching. See, he's so hard. Why so hard? Why you want to slouch? But y'all, I got a job interview this morning, well, this afternoon at 1 o'clock. So Avi is at class right now, so make sure Cheyenne is good and quiet when I go on my interview for Zoom. I'm hoping that it's something that I'll be able to do from home. It's a collections job, like debt collector job. This is an attempt to collect on a debt. I've been a debt collector before, a long, long time ago. I think it was before I had, or right after I had. Had to be after I had Ivy, because I don't think I ever had a job besides McDonald's when I was 15 until I had Ivy. Yeah, and I had Ivy at 19. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm for to eat. But yeah, it's a new day. It's a new day. And there will be sunshine. All right, let me eat my cereal. Before it gets soggy. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? I gotta get to my bananas. They all the way at the bottom. I be like my milk real cold. I put 2 ices in them. Come on. Y'all make her get it together. We can put the camera on and she'll act like that. Why you keep slouching like that? Silly. Now you look like look at your cheeks. Your cheeks look heavy. Heavy cheeks. And get you a napkin for your mouth. Look at her. Why are you acting like that? Sit up. Mom's not gonna hold you. She's so spoiled, y'all. She thinks somebody's supposed to hold her all day. Take your mouth off. Even though I'm sitting right here next to her. Put this plastic slide in your mouth. Be quiet. Be quiet. But anyway. I'm just going forward with what I want to do. I can't go through life being unhappy. Working jobs that's not fulfilling me. Like, I'd rather be at home, get all the stuff I need, represent the company, Yes, this is an attempt to collect on the debt. How would you like to handle that today? I can see myself getting into that routine. Not being in people's mouth, holding the suction. I'm done with that. I'm done being a dental assistant. I'm done. So I'm just gonna text the doctor. Email her and let her know, like, I'm sorry if I inconvenienced you and wasted your time. I don't want to be in dentistry no more. I already knew that, but I know that's always something I can go back to, but I'm not getting vaccinated for that job. I don't even pay enough. That's why I left in the first place. They don't pay enough. Then the job that I did get paid with what I want, I ain't like it. So I think I'm just done with the industry. Like, it's always something. If you get paid too little, and then you gotta go through all these different people to even get hired. I probably can get hired right back, but I want to be here with her anyway. Who gonna deal with her? See how she act? I don't trust nobody to deal with my baby. But her sisters and my mama. Sometimes not even her dad. Because he don't know what he be doing. I'm gonna use the rest of this milk. There was no point putting that little corner back in the refrigerator because I hate when people do that. So why would I do it? But yeah. That is so good. So I'm just gonna move forward. Forget about dentistry. But I don't want to be in no dental office. I did that since 2007, y'all. Y'all don't understand. I don't see how my mama did the same job for 35 years. I commend her for doing that for her family and working and staying at that same job. She's still at that same, not the same job, but she's still doing the same thing. But she about to retire in December. Yep, baby. Then I have a baby that I can move around. Well, I ain't trying to have my baby with my mama all the time. It's time for her to live. Like, she been working all these years. She don't want to be trapped up in no house with no baby. Stop. Yeah, eat some more food. Eat some more of your food, boo. Yeah. Okay, ain't nobody gonna make you eat it. I ain't gonna make you eat it, baby. I ain't gonna make you eat it, baby. What? What? You want it? You wanna take your pacifier out? I forgot how to do that plane. How to do that plane? No, it's a choo-choo train. A chugga 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 chugga. Yeah, she ain't eating that. She ain't even opening her mouth. You know, if I make my cereal get soggy. I don't know if I got the camera right now. You sleepy? You slept a lot last night. I mean, she still woke up, though. She wakes up just for her milk, like. Or she need her pamper change. But she probably just wants some milk. Want some milk? Time it. It's 10:21 a.m. I'll probably be back home. I don't know where my phone at. Oh. Check Ivy's location. I'm not sure. She good. How you doing all that, Shreya? Why you gotta make that face? Y'all look up there. Y'all seen it. It's the same face she was in. Okay, she is cool. Alright, I'll be back, y'all, when I come back from my interview. See? I knew it. She was sitting in that thing. She always boo-boo through her clothes. Boo through your clothes.